Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can resize all of these cells on your Google Sheet all at once. Super simple tutorial actually. So if you're on MacBook, you use Command A to select everything, but if you're on PC, like Windows or whatever, press Control A and then you can basically just move this line to to the right, and then move this other line down here, and as you can see all of the cells are the same. And that is pretty much it. You can also resize columns here. It will resize every column, like for instance 200, and then here resize row, and then I'm gonna do like 50. Press OK, and it's going to kind of resize. It's only going to resize this and like that part. It's not going to resize everything, so I do suggest you just doing the first method. It is easier. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.